Welcome to online enrollment. When you visit globalcu.org, you'll see a sign-in box in the upper right-hand corner of the website. Since this is your first time logging into your account, select Enroll. This brings you to the Global Credit Union e-sign disclosures and consent page. Please read the disclosures before you select I accept. Now it's time to enter your enrollment information. You'll need to type your first name, last 6 digits of your social security number, date of birth, and an email address and phone number to help us maintain your account security. Next, we will verify your account with us. If you have a checking account, this is where you will enter your debit card information. If you are enrolling as an auto loan account holder, you will enter your vehicle loan information and VIN number. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will continue as a debit card holder. After you verify your account information, type the code shown in the security image. By clicking the Submit button, you confirm that you have read and accept the Online Account Services Agreement and the Global Credit Union Electronic Fund Transfer Act disclosure. Congratulations! You can now use online banking. Remember, if you had multiple accounts to enroll, go back to the globalcu.org homepage to start the enrollment process again until all accounts under your name have been enrolled.